If you're a woman in the Omaha Metro area and you are working to rebuild life after divorce, and you've been thinking about buying a home, this may be the most important video you watch. Because choosing the wrong neighborhood can quietly undo your peace, even if the home looks perfect, perfect, perfect. If you're navigating life after divorce and you are walking through the process of looking for a home, you have felt how emotionally heavy it is. You're not just choosing square footage, you're choosing peace, stability, safety, and a fresh start. But here's the hard truth most women discover too late. The house can be perfect, but the neighborhood can be perfectly wrong. And when the neighborhood is wrong, it slowly drains your sense of calm. Why this matters? Many women search for homes for sale in the Omaha area or how to buy a home after divorce, thinking the answer is mostly financial. But emotional environment matters just as much. Noise levels, isolation, distance from support systems, commute fatigue, and feeling disconnected from your surroundings is not good. These things don't show up on the other platforms such as Zillow or Homes or Redfin. They don't show up, but they absolutely affect your daily well being. So, ladies, do more than just looking online. Common mistakes divorced women make when choosing location. Let's talk about three mistakes I often see when women are doing home searches after divorce. Choosing based on price alone, choosing too far away from trusted people, choosing an area that feels safe enough but not peaceful. Safety and peace are not the same thing. A place can be technically safe but emotionally heavy. This channel exists for women rebuilding life after divorce here in the Omaha area. My name is Lynetta Anderson. I am your local real estate agent with Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Ambassador Real Estate. I provide faith-aligned encouragement, informed housing guidance so that you can move forward with clarity, guidance, and peace. No pressure. Practical guidance. When you're evaluating neighborhoods, ask, do I feel calmer or more tense here? Would I feel comfortable walking outside in the evening? Am I closer to support or more isolated? Does this environment encourage rest or constant alertness? This is wisdom, not weakness. Thoughtfulness now prevents regrets later. Let's take Carissa, for example. She chose a beautiful home on the edge of town because it was beautiful. The distance from friends, the long drive home at night, and the silent isolation made her feel more anxious, not more secure. Not because she failed, but because her environment did not support where she was emotionally. I love to rethink the process of going through this journey. Peace does not feel like excitement, and it's okay. Peace feels like steady breathing, and you know that's okay. Clarity, a settled spirit, a sense of alignment rather than urgency. That's what you should be looking for when choosing a home after divorce. If this is resonating with you and you are navigating housing decisions here in Omaha, I've created a calm, no pressure guide to help you take the next steps. You can download a free guide linked below or schedule a discovery call if you simply need clarity. No obligations, just support. Beautiful blessing, be encouraged. You are not behind. You are not late. You're not failing. You are being thoughtful. And wise women make thoughtful decisions, thoughtful long-term decisions. The goal isn't speed, the goal is stability. If you would like support as you explore neighborhoods in Omaha and want housing guidance aligned with clarity, wisdom, and peace, you can find the resources below. I look forward to serving you well. Continue the series with how emotional triggers impact home buying after divorce. Subscribe for weekly guidance for women rebuilding in Omaha.